Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for beginners, updated. Open a Binance account, verify your identity, and enable 2FA before trading. Begin by depositing funds via bank transfer or card, then explore spot and convert for simple trades. Practice with small amounts and use limit orders to control price. Keep login and API keys secure, and review fees before each trade to avoid surprises and mistakes. To get started, create your Binance account and complete KYC verification. Enable 2FA, preferably with an authenticator app. Fund your account using bank transfer or card to start. Explore wallet to view balances and deposits. Learn fee structures, including maker and taker fees. Start with small trades to learn order types and use the demo or convert for low-risk practice before larger investments. Keep recovery codes offline and update passwords regularly. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions with leak-proof design and easy carry. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one easily. Staying hydrated helps focus through charts and trades, so consider this handy bottle for routine use. Now let's get back to the video. Learn basic order types like market, limit, and stop limit orders to control entry and exit. For beginners, stick to spot trading versus futures until comfortable with leverage and margin. Check token listings, read charts, and set price alerts to manage trades. Use stop-loss orders and position sizing to limit risk, and review transaction history and tax records regularly to stay organized and compliant. Start small, learn fees, and practice patience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.